Hello, I'm Jay, and welcome to lab number 3, our very first Python file that actually does something. All right, this file uh, prints out some text, some numbers, and some text. And what's going to print out is 1, 2, 3, hello world, right? And I've added something new in here in addition to that at the very top. This is called the Python shebang, noted because of this first couple of characters right here. It's a hashtag, and some people call that a bang. I didn't come up with the name. But this tells your computer when it first runs the Python file, it tells it which Python to use. And Python 3 is the current version of Python we're using. Uh, your computer may only have Python 3, in which case this shebang is technically not needed. However, if you run a Python file on a computer that has more than one version of Python or has the wrong version of Python on it, if you don't have the shebang, it will try to run, maybe be the wrong version, and stuff won't work right. So we put the shebang at top, make sure that the computer knows and we know which version of Python we're using. It doesn't change till the version changes to 4. We don't have to worry about it. Just going to copy and paste that on every assignment from this point forward. Okay. Right below that, I have my standard header comment, my name, the class, the assignment. I have removed my quote from there from our previous assignment. And then I have 4 print commands. I'm going to print 1, 2, 3, hello world. However, this version of the code has one bug in it. It's your job to fix that bug and then turn it back in. This is the output that you will get when it's working. There's a bug in here somewhere. You'll have to find it and fix it and put a comment either right before the bug or on the same line as the bug. Tell me what the bug was so that I know that you know the right way to fix it and you didn't just fix it or copy and paste it or whatever, right? So write a comment in your own words. What was the bug? How did you fix it? And of course, fix it and then submit that. And you get credit for this assignment. Pretty easy. If you're paid attention to the book at all, you'll see that in there. Pretty easy. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.